The roll shape of the motor housing is reserved with a tolerance of 1 mm for die casting. The internal hull of the part is composed of 5 different diameter circles and 1 transitional tapered surface. To ensure machining efficiency, we adopted JINGDIAO 5-axis milling and turning composite machining center MRMT 300, which is required a JINGDIAO direct drive high-speed rotary table and milling and turning composite electric spindle to machine the aforementioned features through turning. Replaces the processing method of boring plus milling. Single piece processing time is only 11 minutes. Coaxiality is less than 5 microns. Next, let's take a look at how MRMT 300 achieves efficient processing of motor housing.